You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this book character by famous French novelist Jules Verne. We're going to look at the French pronunciation and how it's also pronounced in English. The French pronunciation, so the original pronunciation, Jules Verne was French. Phileas Fogg. Phileas, PH pronounced like an F from Greek. Phileas Fogg. In English, it could be say Phileas Fogg, but it's generally pronounced as Phileas. Phileas Fogg is generally how it's pronounced, or the French way, Phileas Fogg. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.